What's up guys, I'm coming at you from a small harbor town somewhere in the Mediterranean today. Welcome back to another episode of Real Quick where I explain shit very quick. Right now I'm making a video about the #1 mistake that tourists make while taking videos on vacation. First of all, don't film vertical video. On my 2013 first time to Asia, I was filming like this half the time and then like this half the time. And so the YouTube video is on my channel if you look back. Like half the footage is vertical and half the footage is like this. Film landscape, guys. Film landscape. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, let's film this. Oh, let's film that over here. And then back to this. And then this. Keep your freaking phone steady. I'm very guilty of this, even sometimes still. And I'm a YouTuber for 3 years. If you want to have good home movies, either hold it steady, don't move it at all, and hold it for 10 seconds. Or do smooth, very slow movement. Count to 5, at least. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then keep walking. I know it can be a hassle. I'm walking here with Danny. I have to stop and then get the shot of the harbor. I had the idea to do this video today because I just saw Grandpa like walking like this. You know, his grandkids are gonna be watching this. It's gonna be all bumpy and crappy. Who cares? Same thing with GoPros. People were like, oh cool, look at that. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's cool. Cool. Oh my God, did you see that? And then they're pointing the camera. People tend to point the camera at your eyes. This is what we naturally wanna do. What you actually wanna do is point the camera at your mouth. So your eyes are on the top half of the screen, like it is right now on this camera. Anyways, all right, ran it too long. Those were just the basics, the things to keep in mind if you're a beginner. If you're more advanced and you want to get into like making dope ass travel videos, check the link below to the full course on how to make the sickest travel videos. Peace. This video is sponsored by YuTu coin. It's the first crypto coin for the YouTube channel, allowing fans to invest in a YouTuber's unique crypto coin if they really like the channel, to watch it grow over time, kind of like allowing fans to buy stock in your YouTube channel via crypto. Check them out, YuTu coin, and they're giving away 500 bucks worth of their tokens for this video. Details on how to enter are below. Shoo!